Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alex is here with Modesty. Well, today I have my Macy's beauty box, and yep, it did not get stolen this month. Boy, I was on the hunt for this thing, and when the mailman came and they didn't ring the doorbell again, but I was watching my video, and every time it said that somebody was at my front door, I looked at my video and I was at work, and I called my husband and said, hey, go to the front, get my box before somebody has it again. And so, yep, here it is. And this is the July box because, as you guys know, last month my June box was stolen. So, yep. So if you're interested in seeing what's in July's Macy's beauty box, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good week. And if I did this right, you should be seeing this maybe on Friday. I think so, not sure. Wednesday or Friday. Anyway, so I hope you guys did have a good week. And I had a pretty good week myself. And so I'm so excited about opening this box and telling you what's in here. And I do enjoy this box. It is simply just $16 a month. And it has at least 5 travel sizes of products in here. Sometimes comes with a bag, sometimes not, depending. Sometimes it's brand specific. But one thing's for sure is that all of the things in this box is sold at Macy's, okay? So, yeah, it's not some, benign, unknown brand that's, just coming along and we don't know what's in it, right? And so at least this box is definitely with $16 for me. And before we jump in to see what's in here, let's do a affirmation for the day, okay? And let's go ahead, and I'm gonna change the background to black because I can't see. Sometimes the designs are so bright and the lettering's white and I'm like, what the heck? So, okay, and let's go look. Okay, here we go. It's a short one. It's in focus, I can tell. And it says, grant yourself permission to enjoy life to the fullest. Boy, I needed that one. Grant yourself permission to enjoy life to the fullest. And when I hear that, it is very subjective. What might be my idea of enjoying life to the fullest may not be the same as yours, right? Some people may be going on a trip somewhere, maybe one big trip a year and smaller ones on 3-day weekends. That may mean that they're living their life to the fullest. And for me, it's more, I don't know. Right now, I'm looking for a reason, right? I'm looking for justification because I've been into designer bags and everything. And I think, yeah, you would have probably seen me open my most recent purchase. Well, that's not my most recent. That's most recent that I received. And I just did invest in a bag that I'm really looking forward to sharing with you. And so to me, having things or being able to purchase things that I enjoy and to really, to play with and do things with, that's what I like. And also sharing, happy moments with my husband and my daughter and just, playing with the cats. I mean, those things, it is what it is. Those things seem like, oh, well, how boring. Well, yeah, for you maybe. But for me, that's how I live my life to the fullest. So when you see that, it doesn't mean, being, for example, Instagram models, right? They live their life, just chasing next subscriber, one after the other and, getting brand deals. For them, that's living life to the fullest. But for me, that's not living life to the fullest. So it's different for everybody. But what's most important in this whole thing is to grant yourself permission. Okay, give yourself permission to have those things. And this is when I said, okay, it's okay. I earned it. I work hard. And so I'm granting myself permission to do those things. So you do the same, okay? Alrighty. Now, my box. Okay, Macy's. And as you guys know, I think I posted my porch pirate video. It was like a 10-second video of a porch pirate coming onto my porch and stealing my box and just taking off with it. It's like, oh my God, are you serious? And that, that doesn't happen often here, but it was kind of my fault because I didn't pick up the box until it was dark. and I had noticed that they already delivered it, and then so unfortunately it sat on my porch for a while. But even though, I mean, it's my fault that it was there, but then again, you know, they shouldn't take what's not theirs, you know, so it's kind of sad. You know, I hope they needed it more than I did. I know it's a male person, obviously, by the video, and he might open it and what the heck is this, and just thrown it in the garbage. I don't know. I mean, I hope that he gave it to somebody that might need it, but yeah, it is what it is. So again, this is one of those boxes that I struggle with. And I'm going to have to cut this one because it used to have those little, I don't know, all these boxes are running together in my head. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it out of there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. This is what's in here. As you know, that cute little pink tissue paper has the goodies in it, but it looks like I'm getting something extra. It says cooler changing cup. Oh, color changing cup, cooler. Color changing cup. Okay, watch cup color change instantly with chill beverage. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I don't know if I need another tumbler, but yeah. So, yep, there it is. It comes with a straw. And I may go ahead and, it's always good to have something, you know, that I'm not afraid that I'm going to break or, yeah. So, okay, that's kind of cute. Yeah. So, I got to wash it first. And that's that. And then, on the bottom of it is... you get this booklet each time, and they do have the information inside. Along with that, there is a $5 off coupon, and you can use this towards any purchase of $20 or more at Macy's Beauty. It doesn't have to be what's in the box. It's just you have to spend it at the beauty counter. So if you need a lipstick, or if you need a blush or whatever, $5 off is $5 off. So essentially, I'm paying $11 for the box. And it used to have, I've not seen a $10 off one recently, but sometimes it is $10 off as well. So yeah, that's that. And it does have the stuff that's in there. So, and it does come wrapped like this in a pink tissue. And some of you who've won my giveaways in the past, I'm sure have received this tissue because I recycle everything that I can. I try to be environmentally, you know, aware. So let's see what's in here. All right. This is where it gets tricky. Okay, so let me turn that around. Woo! Almost dropped it off. And here it is, all the little goodies. And like I said at the beginning, that they are travel size, deluxe travel size products. So that's okay. And the first thing I see here is watermelon. That's exactly what it is. It's watermelon. You know, where's my glasses? I'm going to put on my glasses so I can read. Okay. This is by Tony Moly. I think you guys know Tony Moly. Watermelon Dew All Over Serum. Tis the season of summer vacay and suntans or burns. In other words, your skin has earned some extra TLC. Reach for a watermelon-infused serum that locks in the moisture and uses aloe vera to reduce inflammation from head to toe. And it retails for $15. Not this one here, but the one that is full size. The problem is they don't tell you what that is, what full size is. So, but since I do go ahead and use a lot of serums on my own, I'm going to go ahead and throw this one into the giveaway. And the next thing here is by Peter Thomas Roth, and I do like his products. There we go. And it looks like a sunscreen. So let me go over here. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer Sunscreen. We know there's a lot of hydration this month. You can never go wrong, especially with the moisture filled with liquid cloud of pure water vapor and all the power-packed goodness of this mighty hyaluronic acid. It retails for $45, and it says apply in the morning after cleansing. I'm wondering if this is a spray. Oh, no, it's not a spray. It's just one of those pumps. So it's SPF 45, and let's see what kind of a. It doesn't say if it's mineral. Does it? No, it doesn't say. Usually they say what it contains, you know, as far as its mineral, you know, or chemical sunscreen, but it does not say. Oh, it does. Avobenzene, homosalate, octisalate, and octisaline. So this is all chemical. So yep, there it is. And I actually prefer that because there's no white cast. Yeah, white cast bad. So the next thing in here, it looks like a Sun Bum 30, and this looks like a lip protector. And let's see, where's this one? It's all over the place. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to keep it in focus. Sunbum Mineral Sunscreen Lip Balm SPF 30. Does anyone have their emotional support for lip balm at the ready? Now you do. This pocket-sized hero protects your lips against harmful UV rays in any environment. Yes, it's waterproof, while shea butter and vitamin E masks the silky smooth. And so, make it silky smooth. It's $3.99. And so the thing is, I only use the Polish Choice one because that's the only one that I found that does not have flavor, or that terrible flavor. But I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and let you know about it, because if that's the case, I would have found the second one, which is nice. And you know what? Hold on here. Oh, it's got a seal on it. I'm not going to open it right now because I'll mess it all up. But I'll let you know how this works out, because I'm always looking for a good lip balm sunscreen. Okay, and next, and there's like, is it 3? No, okay, it's 2 different, those Perfume Versace Eros. This is for men. My husband has had this one. He likes it, but it's not his favorite. But he does use it. And what's this? Season for love without bursts of passion, deep woody accord, energetic Italian lemon, and decadent vanilla combines to create a new chapter of your bold beginning. So it is a men's cologne. And the other one is the Versace Bright Crystal. Now this one I do like. I do own this one, and it is really nice fragrance. I'll go ahead and put these 2 into a giveaway since I do own both of these. I know my husband owns this and I own this. So I'll put it in a giveaway. And the next thing in here is another perfume, Coconut Cove and Vanilla Sky. And it is 2 different. It's by Skylar Clean Beauty Perfume. Okay. There it is. And what does it say? It's, you know that feeling when you sink into a bit of crisp, fresh sheets and you ease your way into the dreamiest sleep ever? Skylar bottled it. Warm vanilla and sweet comfort of coconut lull you into the happy terrace of summer. $85 is the retail price on it. Okay? And the retail price on the Versace Ude perfume for men is $102. This one here. And for women is $99, which is the Bright Star. Okay? I forgot to give you that. And there's one more thing in here. And it's wrapped, and it looks like a full-size product. So now I'm getting 2 full-size products. All right, then it is something shiny. Ooh, something really shiny. Ooh, I like that. Shiny. It's called Diamond Dust Baked Gelato Swirl. Wow. Look at it. It's really iridescent. I mean, you see the pinky and, oh my, this is really, really pretty. What the heck is it? It is Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Look, you're glowing. Well, you definitely will be with this baked illuminator that accentuates your natural radiance. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like cream, creating translucent veil of barely there color. It's $26. This is really pretty. Wow, I mean, I know my camera's not capturing it, but it's got a lot more pink tone to it than what the camera's picking up. This looks kind of yellow and iridescent, but I wish I could get it to pick up. It's got a heavy pink look to it. So I will go ahead and put this also in a future giveaway, because I have, oh my God, guys, I have tons of highlighters. And so I want to go ahead and share some of it. But this one is really pretty. I do like the color. I'm wondering what the texture's like, but you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and put it back in here and share it with somebody that may enjoy it. So, alrighty. So what did you think? I mean, $16, I'm okay with it. I got this $26 highlighter, and it is full size. And I got this $3.99 Sunbum lip balm / SPF, and that's full size. And so watermelon serum, okay, for after sun, and also this sample of SPF, and 3 samples of perfume, okay? And so, yeah, I mean, I think it's worth it. I like it just for this. I mean, right? But it's $16. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, what other bags do you know is $16, right? And they're actually, you know, products that's sold in Macy, so it is known brands. So, yeah, yep. So I'm okay with it. So let me know what you think below. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like these type of contents, yes, contents. Oh yeah, and I forgot about the cup. Blue car. Anyway, yeah, I forgot about this cup too. I got the cup too. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, if you like this type of craziness and this content, please do subscribe. There's a button below that says subscribe, and please ring the bell and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. So, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, let me unwind myself here because I know I'm pretty hyper, but it is what it is. So, but I just want you to know I do care about you, all of you, and I want you to have a good day, good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this, and that does not matter. But what does matter is in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I think it's been a week. I'm not even into the week yet. It's actually the weekend still, the prior weekend, and I had to get this open because I kind of missed out last month when my porch pirate stole my baggage. I wanted to get it open for you guys, but yeah, I hope you guys had a good week. By the time you're watching this, I do believe this will be a Friday thing, and so yeah. And that means, and oh, also, I didn't say this before, but I am going to be involved in a collab, which should air on Saturday the 16th, which is probably tomorrow. And that is a 12-channel collab. And I had a, like a collab partner, Steph. And what we did was we had Christmas in July. So I sent her a present and she sent me a present and we unboxed it. So yeah. Anyway, I hope that happened because it hasn't happened yet. I mean, she should get the back box on the 11th and I should get mine about the same time. So hopefully that all happened. Otherwise, this part of the video is like, what is she talking about? But anyway, yeah, it's Christmas in July and it will air tomorrow. And also there'll be a giveaway on that. So don't miss it, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I love you all from the very bottom of my left ventricles. Mwah! Bye!